Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Our mini Ninky Nonk is out for a little ride today. The Ninky Nonk was riding along when all of a sudden we heard Kitty. She is crying because she's stuck on top of the closet. She climbs up the door and then can't get down. The Ninky Nonk is climbing the closet to go see Kitty. Now that the Ninky Nonk is way high up on top of the closet, I need to join them so that I can get Kitty down with my hands. Cats sometimes climb trees with their claws. They go so high up that they can't get down again, or they're too scared to jump. In some cases, the firemen have to use their ladder to rescue cats from a tree. Hi, Kitty. It's okay. I'm here to rescue you. Because Kitty's scared, it can be hard to grab her. But I did it. Thank you, Ninky Nonk. Let's get you down too. Now I'm going to spend some time playing with Kitty, just to get her a little more relaxed. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.